of the face. There's a muscle that surrounds your mouth. It's the orbicularis oris. And then from there, there's an insertion of zygomatic major. This insertion brings back the sides of your mouth to make you smile. If you look at the skull, you'll see that you should not draw your smile or the mouth flat, but it's more of a rounded object.
First, draw a cylinder. This will help to remind you that mouth is not flat. The sides of your mouth go to the sides of the cylinder. Around the mouth, you have the muscle orbicularis oris. Attached to the sides of the muscle, you have zygomatic major. Zygomatic major is inserted on the sides of the face, not in the front. Think about this muscle being stretched and pulled back when you smile. The crease on the side of your mouth is where the zygomatic major is inserted to the orbicularis oris. This insertion is also the separation from the front and the side of your face. When you smile, you can feel where the zygomatic major is inserted. It is toward the back near your ear. Once we use our smiling muscles, there is a feedback to our brain that enforces our happiness. British researchers found that one smile may give the same brain stimulation as 2,000 chocolate bars. How can you tell the difference between a fake smile or a social smile and a real smile? If you see the mouth corners crease that we talked about and a crease under the lower eyelid, this together will show you a real smile. This is coined by the Duchenne researcher. It's called the Duchenne smile.